Hello everyone, the name of this video is how to create social media posts with Canva and copy AI using original content. So we all have heard of Chat GPT, right? A lot of times, which is the most popular AI writing tool. And so there's others out there, Copy AI, Jasper, Quillbot, and if my memory serves me correctly, Write Me, just to name a few. So here I am on the Copy AI page. So when you get ready to write, you may be writing a social media post, or you may be writing a blog post. You click on this templates here, and this box will pop up. So if you want to write a blog post, social media bio, anything that you want to write, you click on that. So when I usually create a short social media post, I use the freestyle template. You know, it really doesn't matter whether you use the social media content template or the freestyle template for social media posts, in my opinion. But you know, either one that you want to start a new project, which is called, you can. So I'm gonna click on freestyle, click start new project. Okay, then you come to this screen, and then you're gonna start. You can either type or copy and paste your content in. And so this is some content from one of my clients' posts on Flag Day, which was the 14th of this month. And so I'm using this piece of content as an example. This is an original piece of content which I wrote myself. And if you want my opinion on using AI writing tools for content creation, please, I'm going to put a link down in this post that I did on LinkedIn giving my opinion on the matter, because there's some debate on that, about AI created content versus original content. And I gave my opinion on that in that post, and also in a shorts video on my channel, which I linked there as well. So check those two links out to see what my opinion is on that. So I don't usually use this little slot right here where it says what you want to create. I just copy and paste the same content that I pasted over here and here, and then it asks you what tone that you want. Do you want a friendly tone, a luxury tone, a relaxed tone, a professional tone? What kind of tone you want to come off when your audience is reading these posts or post. So for this, I'm choosing a witty one, so you click on create content, and it'll generate the content for you. So here I have it created different, versions of my content on Flag Day. So, you can read through these and see which one that you like the best, and take it and copy and paste it to create a new social media post, as well as a visual. So I'm going to go over here in the Canva. And so I came in the Canva and I looked at some Flag Day templates. And so you can either use an existing template, don't make no changes to it, or You can create your own template using the elements by starting out on a blank canvas or blank page. Or you would take one of these already existing templates and switch up some of the graphics and the words in the way that best suits you. And then, like I said, you download it and copy and paste your copy that you generated in Copy AI to your social media posts. And that's basically it, the way I use Canva and Copy AI to create my social media posts. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple, and AI writing tools are making the content creation process more efficient. And so if you are interested in checking Copy AI out, you can create an account using one of your best emails, and they have different plans. They have a free plan and paid plans. The free plan only gives you like 2,000 words a month, and later on, if you want to upgrade to a paid plan, you can do that as well if you need more words. So that is basically a quick run through of how I create social media posts with Canva and Copy AI using my original content. And so another thing as well, you can come up here, it gives you the date of the post, and you can come up here, click on this and name it. I'll put social media flag day post. Okay, and so that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know, or let me know what you think about using AI tools in the content creation process. Do you think it will replace original, well, I could say that, original content writing, or content creators and content writers, which are content creators? But let me know what you think. Do you think AI will replace, content creators and, just mess up things for people? People are asking the question, will robots replace our jobs and all that kind of stuff? So yeah, let me know, do you think AI writing tools will replace copywriters, content writers, or any type of content creators? All right, so yeah, let's discuss, and be sure to visit my social media link in the description to get some resources. I have a download in which it tells you of 10 password protection management tools. I also have another download in which it helps you learn how to create content, more quickly and efficiently, without AI. And so, or you could say with AI, with or without AI, it doesn't matter. So yes, do that, and I'll talk to you soon.